Tulsi, holy basil, leaves and honey tea is a powerful herbal remedy known for its numerous health benefits. Relief from cough and cold, Tulsi leaves have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and expectorant properties, making them effective in soothing throat irritation and clearing respiratory passages. Honey complements this by coating the throat and suppressing cough. Boosts immunity. Both Tulsi and honey are rich in antioxidants, which help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Energy booster. This tea provides a natural energy lift, enhancing vitality and reducing fatigue. Aids digestion. Tulsi helps in detoxifying the body and improving digestion, while honey supports gut health. Stress relief. Tulsi is known for its adaptogenic properties, which help reduce stress and promote relaxation.